What's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and today we are opening up my new AirTag. So Apple, I guess the plural pronunciation on Apple's website says that it's called AirTag if you have multiple of them instead of AirTags, which is pretty interesting. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this sucker up and see exactly what it is and how big it is, because I have a quarter right here. We want to see how big it is compared to this quarter. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this pull tab here. And by the way, before I open this up, this is $39 for one AirTag, and it's $99 for 4 AirTags, which is pretty cool. There we go. To the side. And we can see AirTag right here. Might be kind of hard to see on camera. With some different instructions and safety stuff, which is not really that interesting. And here we are. These are the AirTags. So if you can see, we just pull it open just like that. And in the middle here, we have the AirTag. And this is actually a pretty decent sized AirTag. It says update to the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull the tab. So I'm gonna grab my phone real quick. I'll be right back. So I got my phone. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Right, just like that. I'm gonna set this down right here. And hold device near and follow on-screen instructions. So this is actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting. I was expecting it to possibly fit in a wallet, but this thing is decently thick, and it's also definitely bigger than a quarter. As you can see here, that's the size of a quarter compared to the AirTag, and you can definitely tell that the AirTag is a little bigger. Now let's go ahead and take this plastic off here. And this plastic actually has a little pull tab right here. So right when I pull this, it's gonna automatically pop up on my phone. So here, I'll go ahead and do that. You can see it pop up on my phone right there. Oh, and I forgot to update my phone, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Check for update. Okay, so I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna update my phone real quick, and then we'll go ahead and set it up. Alright guys, so I finally just updated my phone after like 25 minutes. And as you can see here, turned on my phone. And the AirTag pops up just like that. Hit connect. And I'm going to choose a backpack because I think I'm going to put it in my backpack. Register AirTag to your Apple ID. Continue. Setting up. Might take it a minute or so. Cool. So they have precision finding. When an AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location, which is really, really nice. So it'll tell you how far away it is and what direction to walk to if you lose your AirTag. You can play a sound, and there's also directions and maps. So let's try it out here. So done. And the AirTag connects to the Find My app, which is super useful. So I'm going to go into the Find My app right now. Devices. So you can see on the Find My app here, I did the find feature and it tells me I am 0.8 feet away, and now I am 1.7 feet away, and it'll tell you where to walk if the AirTag is nearby and all that kind of stuff, as well as the sound here. It's actually decently loud, which is really nice. And it doesn't really have any visible speakers, which is really interesting because it's decently loud. And yeah, that's just about it, guys. So you can see there's a mirrored section right here with the Apple logo. And on the other side, it's just white part. It looks like a white chocolate button, which is really interesting. And you can also put an emoji right here if you want to, and it's free to do that. I decided just to keep it clean though, because I like the minimal aspect of it. And you can see on the mirrored side, it says ultra wideband AirTag, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, all of that good stuff. And do just keep in mind that it probably won't fit in a wallet, and it's better for like a keychain or a backpack or something like that. You could probably put it in a wallet, but it wouldn't be the best fit. So I personally am going to stay away from that. But yeah, it's a pretty cool device. I think it's decently affordable. You know, $39 isn't too bad, and $100 for 4 isn't too bad either. And as you can see on the Apple website here, they have all kinds of different leather accessories, different colors. They have a loop, they have the keychain that I mentioned earlier, and plus other accessories for from Belkin and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and try the Find My feature with the AirTag. I'm going to go ahead and hide this somewhere, and then I'll show you guys on camera what it looks like on my phone while I'm trying to find the AirTag. Alright guys, so I just hid my backpack with the AirTag, and we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like from the phone. So I'm going to open up my phone and go to Gino's backpack, and then I'm going to do the Find feature. Searching for signal, try to move to a different location. Okay, so it says I'm 20 feet away as of right now. Okay, perfect. So it says, let's see here. Okay, so it says exactly where the AirTag is. It shows an arrow. Let's move this way, 4 feet. Boom, right there. So that's pretty cool. It seems like the signal is a little weaker than I thought it would be. You can see right here, we have the AirTag, and we found our backpack, which is pretty nice. And of course, it shows you on the maps exactly where your AirTag is, which is pretty cool. And I'll see you guys back in the studio. So guys, that's about it with the Apple AirTag. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment below, and I'll try my best to get back to you. With all of that being said, I hope you guys have an incredible day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!